Hey guys, MDT here. Today I have some interesting tech updates. Please subscribe the channel if you have loved the video. Let's get into the today's tech updates. Flipkart and Samsung together introduced Smart Upgrade Plan. By this plan, you can buy a Samsung phone at Flipkart by paying 70% of the phone's cost through credit card. That is, if the phone's cost is 10,000, you have to just pay 7,000 through your credit card. After 12 months, you can either pay the rest of the amount and keep the phone, or you can exchange a device for the new Samsung device. By this way, Samsung is trying to bring more people into its ecosystems. You can avail this plan while checking out in the Flipkart page. MI has recently launched MI 10T, 10T Pro and 10T Lite variant. MI 10T and 10T Pro will be launched in India on October 15. MI 10T Lite will be launched at the later date. Its specifications are: for MI 10T we have a display of 6.67 inch display, and the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and the front cam is 20 megapixel, rear cam is 64 MP wide angle camera and 13 MP ultra wide angle camera and 5 MP macro camera, and RAM is 6 GB and storage is 128 GB. Battery capacity is 5000 mAh and it runs on Android 10. And MI 10T Pro has a display of 6.67 inch same. Processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 same. Front cam is 20 megapixel and rear cam is 108 megapixel. Primary camera and 13 MP ultra wide angle camera and 5 MP macro camera. RAM is 8 GB and storage is 128 GB and battery is 5000 mAh and runs on Android 10. Both are 5G variant and it's going to get launched on October 15. Let's wait for the launch. Next is Motorola Razr 5G foldable phone. In Samsung we have to use two hands to unfold the phone, but the Motorola Razr is designed for one hand operation. It's like previous flip type models. The specifications are: it has processor of Snapdragon 765G and its price is 1,24,999, and it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. It has a quick view display to show the quick notifications. It has a 48 MP primary camera and 20 MP secondary camera that sits above the foldable display, and it has 2800 mAh battery that supports 15 watt turbo power, fast charging. The flip mechanism of the smartphone can stand up to 2 lakh flips, and the sale is scheduled for October 12 through Flipkart and other retail stores. The next is Apple has recently rolled out iOS 14 update, but after the update many have complained that they are having battery drain issue. Some said that in my iPhone Pro Max users said that before update their battery will be 80% at the end of the day. After the update it sits at 47%. So Apple has addressed the issue and they said working on it. They also gave temporary fix to unpair iPhone and Apple Watch and back up to cloud and erase all contents of the iPhone and then restore the iPhone and Apple Watch from the recent backups. So you will get the software updates very soon. Next is Sony launched 85-inch Z8H 8K LED TV in India. It is the company's first 8K LED TV in India. Its specifications are: it has a 120 Hz Ultra HD resolution refresh rate, and it supports HDR content up to Dolby Vision format and theoretical 8K resolution. Think of it, it will be very very good. So its price is 13,99,990 rupees. So it will be going on sale from October 5 through Sony's online stores. You can purchase it at shop@se.com and other retail stores and e-commerce stores. So Sony 8K TV will be very good. Go for it. PUBG Mobile hit by DDoS attack, that is distributed denial of service attack. Some players are experiencing disconnection from the game while playing. Developers and security team are working to resolve the issue. The PUBG team has take to social media and it's announced that it's encountering several waves of DDoS attack, and they are also working to fix the issue soon. They are also going to roll out the anti-cheat patch in order to prevent it from hackers and cheaters. Next is Oppo A7 III is going to get launched soon, which is the rebranded version of Oppo F17, which is launched in India recently. The important specifications and expected specifications are it has a processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and it has 6.44 inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen. Refresh rate is 60 Hz and it runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.2 on top. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. It has a primary camera of 16MP and 8MP wide angle camera and 2MP depth camera, and it has 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls, and it has battery of 4015 mAh and it supports 30 watts fast charging. So let's wait for the launch. And Poco C3 and Samsung S20 Fan Edition is getting launched in India on October 6th. Let's wait for the further updates and other specification and full details. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. MDT signing up. Take care.